Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between James Adair and Ilias Lende. This is a game from Pro Chess League played in 2018. James Adair had white pieces and he started with e4, e6, d4, d5, the French defense. Knight to d2, knight to c6, knight on g to f3, knight to f6, e5, knight to d7, white to move. c3 is the most played move in this position. Player with the white pieces played bishop to e2. Now f6, attacking white center. Pawn takes pawn on f6. Queen takes on f6. Black is threatening knight takes pawn on d4. Knight to f1. Bishop to d6. Black has a pretty good development, do you agree? Knight to e3, b6, and player with the white pieces castled king's side. Bishop to b7, c4, knight to e7, c takes on d5, knight takes on d5, queen to a4, preventing castling. So if black castles, then first knight takes on d5, and after bishop takes on d5, queen takes on d7. So player with the black pieces played knight to f4, attacking the bishop, bishop to b5, threatening bishop takes on d7. This is a very interesting moment of the game. What would you do in this position? How would you defend the knight? Perhaps rook to d8 comes to mind. Player with the black pieces castled. Is this a blunder? What is the purpose of this move? Well, player with the white pieces happily captured the knight. Did player with the black pieces have something in mind when he sacrificed the knight, or maybe he just blundered? Black to move, how would you continue? Lende played knight to e2 check. This check was possible because white bishop was deflected. King to h1, bishop takes on f3, g takes on f3, black to move. What is the best move for black in this position? What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for black. You did not pause, did you? I think you captured on f3. This is not the best move. It's not a bad move, but there is much stronger move than this. And the strongest move is queen to f4, threatening queen takes on h2 checkmate. Player with the white pieces played bishop takes on e6. This is a spite check. King to h8 and white resigned. If knight goes to g4, then you can take on f3, because knight no longer can jump to g2. I hope that this lovely miniature will delight players who play the French defense. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.